Hi everyone, Kian here. Our Bible verse for today is all about 3 John 1 to 4. And sabi dito, I have no greater joy than to hear that my children are walking with the truth. So the first teaching for today is our greatest influence occurs during the formative years. So hanggat nasa iyo pa yung anak mo, huwag mong hahayaan na hindi mo siya ma-disciple at hindi mo siya mapakilala sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Kasi ito yung tamang pagkakataon para maitama mo yung direksyon na pupuntahan niya. Because walking with Christ, walking with our Savior is the safest thing that happens here in the earth. The mere fact na humihinga pa tayo, nabubuhay pa tayo, we have the mission here. And one of the missions bilang parents is we have to nurture our children to be with or mapalapit natin or ma-disciple natin with Christ. Mapakilala natin ang ating Panginoon. Our greatest legacy is our love for God. Na ito yung mas higit pa sa kayamanan, ito yung mas higit pa sa karunungan, ito yung mas higit pa sa kung anong meron dito sa material thing na meron tayo. The greatest legacy that we have is our love with Christ. And our greatest joy is to know that we walk. At once na ma-disciple natin yung anak natin, that is the greatest joy that we know that they walk with Christ. At napaka-importante yan kasi magkakaroon tayo ng peace of mind na safe yung anak natin kasi nasa tamang landas siya. Bilang mga magulang, ang pinakadakilang pwede natin maipamana sa kanila ay yung pagmamahal sa Diyos. That's why ito yung key kasi tinuturuan tayo ng Diyos bilang mga magulang na impress sa ating anak yung pagmamahal sa Diyos, and we have to talk about it kahit anong bagay na ginagawa natin sa kahit anong oras, kahit anong panahon, and maging part ng culture natin at maging part ng lahat ng bagay na ginagawa natin. And that is the greatest legacy. Ito yung pinaka-mabuting susi sa mabuting buhay. Why? Why love for God? Again, yung Diyos natin, kung tatanungin mo sa Lord, what is the greatest gift for me? Ang sasabihin ng Diyos sa atin, myself. I'm giving you myself. So, napaka-precious ng gift na yon na ibinigay sa atin ni God. At ipamana natin yon sa ating mga anak.